Guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will basically unbox two helmets which I purchased for myself and also a seat cover which I also purchased for my scooty. Those of you who don't know that I recently purchased a scooty, and the main motive of making this video is two things. That is, first of all, I bought a scooty and that's why I decided to buy all those things, and I decided to also to show you guys all those things. And also the second one is most important, that is, I saw many of the people who ride this kind of two-wheelers, they don't even think of buying those helmets, or they don't even wear those while riding their two-wheelers or something like that. And I came across many incidents where there were accidents and all those things like that. And so those of you who don't wear those helmets, please wear it, because if you want to ride safely, then the helmet is must. And also you can buy some of the other accessories too as well, which I will be showing in this video. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you are thinking of buying any kind of accessories for your two-wheelers or any kind of helmets for yourself or for any other person or something like that, then you can definitely check out their shop. Because first of all, the main reason why I visited their shop is that they have a huge collection of helmets and you can choose from them as well. They also have a lot of variety of accessories which you can buy for your two-wheeler, and you will get almost everything in that shop. And the helmet collection is so huge that you can find a whole lot of different collections from there as well, and so you must definitely visit their shop once. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of helmets and other accessories that I showed you. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.